Hey everybody, it's Dr. Mac here. Getting ready to launch Module 4. I was really excited at reading the posts at Module 3. You folks are really starting to coalesce around the affordances and what we can do with blogging and how to bring in the academic discourses to the new literacies discourses of blogging. And more importantly, I think we really started to grasp this element of that we can't let the dominant narrative outshine the experiences of our youth that we want to teach. And that oftentimes there's a lot of stories lost in literature. And children need the opportunity to read books about people who sound and look and have the same life experiences as they do. And that's essential to children's literature class. In this next module, we're going to be looking at workshop methods, both Reader's Workshop and Writer's Workshop. And these are essential pedagogical techniques and also the method that is used in New Haven Public Schools. So it's important that you understand how workshop methods work, because we've talked often about how a true children's literature classroom or a literature-rich environment in language arts requires a community of readers and writers. And one way to build that community is through workshop methods. So those are the techniques that we need to work on. So in this module, you have 3 readings to do, and each are set up for annotations. You get to choose 2 of the 3 that you would like to annotate. The first one really goes over how to organize a reader's workshop. The second reading talks about literature circles and how those are changing. Literature circles are slightly different than workshop methods, but it's a technique that shares a lot of similarities. And then the last reading goes through writer's workshop in a first grade classroom. So, and what you need to do though is you need to write a mini lesson for either Writer's Workshop or Reader's Workshop. And in that mini lesson, it will have a few things. You explicitly define what you're going to teach. You model how to teach it. You then have guided practice followed by independent practice. And I will be doing a video on probably tomorrow. Which will just be a recorded lecture on the workshop method. So look forward to that. I will be recording that sometime in the daytime tomorrow. For your participation task, there's a playlist of videos on Readers and Writers Room Workshop. So you need to just write up a post on what you liked and didn't like. However, there is a new requirement that you start up some conversation with your peers about their summaries, and make sure to follow the comments in the post that people to your thread. But I don't want this to be like, oh, I need to do 2 comments and 2 posts. Like, it's not. It's about communicating as a community in a classroom, not about meeting specific standards of, oh, I posted twice and commented twice, so I'm done. If something sparks your interest, note it. If you'd like somebody's analysis, talk about it. And the same thing with the annotations. You can reply to each other's annotations there. So I'm really looking forward to hopefully get people more involved as we go.